I'm gonna have to squat. Let it rip.
Now, we know there have been a lot of changes with the channel lately. There was a name change, and then another name change, and then a completely new channel. And some of you are super on top of it. You're hearing what we're saying, and you copy.
I hear the words coming out of your mouth, and I understand them. Over and out.
But others, namely my mom,
Maybe my mom.
can't quite figure it out.
Were you able to find the new channel?
I was confused. We're starting a new channel. We're stopping a channel. But we're still gonna have a channel.
So we just wanted to take a pause, skip a beat, pause a beat,
Skip a flip, dip a switch.
and wind up for a second and explain to you guys exactly what's going on with DogCat, Out There, and us, Ben and Julie.
She said wind up. So if you haven't been following along with every video, which why would you ever do that? There's probably a lot you've missed out on. So let's go all the way back to the beginning. I know that sounds like a lot, but we'll try to make it quick. That G.
Ben bought a van, a Dodge ProMaster to be specific, and built the van into a home. He started a YouTube channel called DogCatManVan because he lived in it with his dog Rocky and his cat Archer. And he released the entire van build process on the channel.
I met Julie. We sold that van and bought another one, a Mercedes Sprinter. We built that van out together, but by the end of it, we were burnt out. Van life was dying out, and our channel's views. So it was time for a change.
Ben and I moved into the finished van full-time and hit the open road in search of adventure.
I want to see mountains again. Mountains, Gandalf.
Because we were making new adventure content, we decided to change the name of the channel from DogCatManVan to Out There.
Should we tell people about the name change?
I think they'll get it.
Unfortunately, DogCatManVan viewers were confused. The YouTube algorithm was confused. Why was a van build channel making videos about rock climbing and river diving? Our views plummeted.
Julie and I tried to undo the mistake we made. We changed the channel name back to DogCatManVan. We created a new entirely separate channel to create content about what we love the most.
And that brings us to here, right now. And there's still a few things that I think we need to clarify. For example, Ben and I, the humans,
Yes.
are going on all sorts of fun adventures.
Right now.
And doing activities and meeting new people. And we're filming all of that new content
Yes.
to be released on the new channel called Out There.
You can find a link to the new channel right down here in the description. I know you don't want to go and do any more work, but it's just right there. You might have to click more, and then you'll see it.
It's there. You can also find the link in the About tab on the DogCat homepage, right here. Or if you really want to search for it, just make sure to type the exact phrase @out.there. If you just type in Out There, we've heard you can get a very popular song from the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Just to be clear, that is not us. But we like the name, and we think it describes us.
Yeah, guys, come on.
Just suck it up.
Jeez.
You can find us one of those three ways. if
Or
you
just
want
watch
to.
the Hunchback video.
If that's better, you know?
It probably is. It has millions of views.
And if you do head over to the new channel and I don't know, say you like what you see, maybe consider subscribing or liking and commenting on the videos because we're basically starting from scratch.
And if you got a lot of spunk, maybe go and check out our Patreon, 'cause that's the only reason we're out here still. We're so poor and we make no money off of YouTube. And we just started a new channel to make even less money off of YouTube.
Plus, if you sign up for Patreon, you'll get a free Out There sticker. You get access to all kinds of other cool stuff like bonus videos of us and behind the scenes and director's cut commentary.
Yeah,
Smart stuff.
Just trying new
Like
things
real
out.
video makers. He's a director.
Nope, I would not call myself that anymore.
And that brings us to one last final topic. Dog, cat, DogCatManVan.
Also pronounced DCMV.
Are we still gonna post to DogCat every week? Or are we walking away from it forever?
No.
Neither! No fudging way! We love DogCat.
Yeah.
We've put so much
Time and effort
More
over
him
the
than me,
past
for
few
sure.
years into building it to what it is today, so it would be kind of silly just to like
totally
step off.
walk away. And it has a huge library of really great, extensive, fully detailed, long-winded build videos.
It's a good resource for everyone out there who is interested in building their own van, and who's to say we aren't going to do something on the build side of things later on in the future.
Like a renovation
Yeah.
or a fix to a major failure.
And we also like the idea of being able to do like little van tours or RV or truck camper tours while we're on the
House
road.
conversion.
Because we run into people and we've seen a lot of cool stuff.
So if you like the van related content, you can hang out at DogCat and wait for us to post some new stuff.
Just be patient, because it's not going to be
Always.
all the time.
I think that covers it.
I thought that bird was going to be bigger.
Were you hoping
Mainly came through my nose.
it would be bigger? So thanks for sticking around. Thanks for all of your support. And if you're still confused, which I really hope you're not after
Just
this,
reach out to us.
comment, or you could still email us.
Yeah, we have 2 emails now.
Yeah, DogCat and Out There.
Yes.
Not those exact things though.
They'll be in the description,
Also.
along with that link I told you about earlier. Bye.
Bye.
We'll see you out there,
On the other channel. Out there.
dog.
Okay. You can't see. Should we tell anyone about the change?
pie hole.
Should we tell people about the change?
idea. Quit laughing.
You're an actor! Do you think we should warn people about the change?
We don't need to spell everything out for them. They might find it offensive. Dog hair?
Yeah, a lot of dog hair. I can't get it.
Okay, what's next?